Hello, today we're going to have a look at telling the time. So you can see lots of clocks on here. Some of them are analog clocks with the numbers around the edge. Some of them are digital clocks, and there's even a clock there with Roman numerals on it. Can you see which one it is? So let's get started. So we're going to start with a little review of the hands of time. So we've got two hands on our clock here. We've got the long hand, which is the blue one, and this is the minute hand. This tells us how many minutes past the hour we have gone. And the short hand is our hour hand, and this shows us the hour that we're in. And it's really important when you're drawing your clocks that you make sure you've got a long hand and a short hand, because otherwise we can't tell what time it is. So we're going to look at o'clock first. So where is our long hand when it's o'clock? Where is our minute hand? It's always on the 12, isn't it, when it's o'clock? Our big hand is on the 12, and our little hand shows us what hour we're at. So this clock says 3 o'clock. The big hand's on the 12, and the little hour hand is pointing to the 3 to show us 3 o'clock. Let's have a try. So what time is this one? Our big hand, our minute hand is on 12, so we know it's o'clock. And our small hour hand is pointing to 1. So it is 1 o'clock. Again, we've got our big minute hand on 12 and our short hand on 8. So it is 8 o'clock. This one, our minute hand, our big hand is on 12 and our short hour hand is on 4. So it is 4 o'clock. Have a go at these two for yourself. Did you get 5 o'clock and 2 o'clock? Well done. Right, let's have a look at the next one. Next, we're going to have a look at half past. So where will our big hand be when it is half past? That's right, it'll be on the 6th. It's halfway around the clock. And our little hand, our hour hand, look at that. It's halfway between the 3 and the 4. So it's past the 3, so it's half past 3. And this is really important again. Our little hand has to be in the right place. So when it's half past 3, it's past the 3 and halfway to the 4. Let's practice. So first clock, our big minute hand is on the 6, so we know it's half past. And our little shorter hour hand is between the 1 and the 2. So it's past the 1, so it's half past 1. What about this one? The minute hand is on 6 and the hour hand is between the 4 and the 5. So it's past the 4, half past 4. What about this one? Again, the minute hand is on the 6, so we know it's half past. And the hour hand is just past the 6, so it's half past 6. Have a go at these two for yourself. Did you get half past 9 and half past 8? Well done. Right, we're going to do a little activity now so you can practice drawing your clock faces. So here, I want you to have a little look at them and I want you to draw these on some paper, and then I want you to write the answers underneath. So I've done the first one for you because I was feeling kind. So the big hand, the minute hand is on the 6, so we know it's half past, and it's between the 3 and the 4, so it's past the 3, half past 3. What about the next one? The minute hand is on a 12, so we know it's o'clock, and our our hand is pointing to 8. So we can write 8 o'clock. Have a go at the next ones on some paper by yourself. Right, we're going to finish with a little game. So on some more paper, I want you to draw lots and lots of clock faces. I've done 5 here, and I've done all o'clock to start with. So all my clocks say o'clock. So I've got 3 o'clock, and I've got 1 o'clock, and I've got 6 o'clock, 8 o'clock, and 4 o'clock. And the game is, you're going to ask your adult in your house to say one of the times that they can see, and then as quickly as you can, you're going to point to it. So what time did I say on this one? The big hand's at 12 and the little hand's at 4, so it is 4 o'clock. So have a go at the little game, and if you want a bit more of a challenge, you can add in some more times. So I've added in, look, can you see here, some half pasts. And I made sure, look, my little hand is between the 7 and the 8. So it's half past, it's gone past the 7, 7:30. I also got a little bit ahead of myself and did some 1/4 past and 1/4 to. And I even put in a 5 past, but we're going to look at that next time. But you can try if you like to. So enjoy the game, and I'll see you soon.